Hi, fourth graders, this is Mrs. Nelson, and we are going to be looking at main idea. We are going to spend many weeks looking at main idea. So, we need to understand completely what this is, how to find it, how to write it up. Let's get going. So, your main idea has a couple of pieces. For example, you have a topic, which could be the entire pizza. Pizza is my topic, and then the main idea is going to be a smaller piece of that topic. We're going to talk about how you could cut, like, main idea is the gist. Like, what are you trying to teach me about pizza? Okay? And then all the toppings are the details, meaning that is what makes up the main idea. So, what are some of these clues, these details that make up the main idea? Well, they could be asking yourself, always ask yourself, what's the text mostly about? The gist, okay? It's not going to be one fact. It'll be repeated over and over and over again. So, you need to look at the pictures. That'll give you a little bit of a clue. Maybe more about the topic than anything. Look at the topic, the title. That'll tell you mostly about what the topic might be. Kind of look at the pictures, the titles, the headings. Look at some of the more important, like, beginning and ending sentences of the paragraphs. Really important. And then look for repeated words or phrases. Phrases are like sentences. So look for those, because sometimes some of the sentences are similar. Dogs come in many sizes. Dogs can come big or little. Those are very similar sentences. You said it a little differently, but the paraphrase. Paraphrase means put it in your own words, say the same thing, but don't say it exactly like that. So maybe some of those sentences are similar, and you can use those to get a clue. So let's read this paragraph together. So, at one time, Pluto was known as the ninth planet in our solar system. Astronomers or scientists who study space spent lots of time studying Pluto. They discovered that Pluto was much smaller than the other planets in our solar system. In fact, Pluto is smaller than Earth's moon. They also discovered that there are many space objects in our solar system very similar to Pluto. In 2006, astronomers made the announcement Pluto would no longer be considered the ninth planet. Now, Pluto is known as a dwarf planet, so that is why we have only 8 planets. So, what was some of the things that were being repeated? Well, let's take a look here. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to highlight all the words that are repeating in blue. Here's a word that repeats. Here's a word that repeats. Pluto, Pluto, Pluto. We see Pluto, lots of places. Pluto, Pluto. So it's talking about Pluto. We know this because Pluto is being repeated over and over and over. Some more Pluto. Okay? So let's look at some sentences some other things that maybe are being repeated over and over and over. So let's look at solar system, solar system, solar system. That is being a solar system that's repeated several times, more than twice. Okay? And let's see. So Pluto in our solar system. So we know that this is talking about Pluto and our solar system. Okay? So let's take a look and see if there's another way that this thing is being repeated over and over again. So the ninth planet, it's smaller than the other planets. Okay, so that's smaller. And it's saying it's smaller than Earth's moon. So, there are many space objects very similar in Pluto. So, we have that talking about the same thing, smaller, smaller, smaller. And scientists. We know that scientists do something with Pluto. So, let's highlight Pluto, scientists. Scientists. So, we have scientists and astronomers. Okay, so that kind of happens. And, we have some more planets here. I'll highlight planet and planet. Okay, so we know that something's happening with planets. Okay, so now we know that it's talking about scientists are studying Pluto, and Pluto is much smaller than all the other planets in our solar system. So, okay, what is this article mostly about? It's mostly about scientists studying Pluto, okay? Pluto's size, mainly, okay, because it talks about smaller than the other planets. It's talking about scientists and our solar system. So it's like they're studying about Pluto's size in our solar system, mainly. Okay, so that I get that idea. So if I was to look up this up, it would probably be really true. So if I was to type something up, I would want to say that Pluto, so the main idea is in this paragraph is about scientists studying the size of Pluto. Okay, it's just about they're studying the size of Pluto. Mainly, okay, they're just talking about its the size of Pluto compared to other things in our solar systems. Now, I used some of the words that were repeated in this paragraph to type up my main idea. Okay. Now, we will use race as well because we need to use those facts there, but that'll be a different lesson. Okay. I just want to find main idea right now. Okay. Questions, concerns, we'll still keep hitting this. All right. I'll see you on the flip. Bye!